Do you know that in 2024 alone, close to 10 million non-surgical botulinum toxin A treatments were performed worldwide? While many people are still asking, is it safe? Will I look natural? Botulinum toxin A has already been used for more than 30 years, helping millions to slow down facial aging safely and effectively. So today, let's break it down simply. What exactly is botulinum toxin A and how does it work? Botulinum toxin A is a purified pure protein. It is also known by different brand names such as Botox, discomfort, Xeomin, and others. But medically, they all belong to the same family, botulinum toxin A. So when we say Botox, for example, or Dysport, for example, it's actually a common name used in the industry. Originally, in the 1970s, botulinum toxin A was used for medical conditions like eye muscle spasm, neck muscle spasm, strabismus, something like a cross eye, cerebral palsy, which related to muscle tightness. Only later did doctor discover something interesting aesthetically. In the 1980s, ophthalmologists noticed something unexpected. After treating patients' eye muscles at movement, they found that the wrinkles around the treated area became smoother. That was the beginning of botulinum toxin A use in medical aesthetics. In 1989, the US FDA officially approved botulinum toxin A for medical use, and later, it became one of the most important tools in modern medical aesthetics. What can botulinum toxin A treat? Botulinum toxin A works by relaxing overactive facial muscle. It can help improve frown lines, forehead lines, crow's feet, gummy smile, masseter muscle, and in some studies, it can be used for shoulder slimming, calf slimming, facial lifting, and hyperhidrosis. The goal is not to freeze the face, but to soften overactive muscle movement for a more refreshed look. So how do we actually perform botulinum toxin A? First, we carefully assess the facial muscle movement. Which muscles are overactive? Which expressions are creating the wrinkle? And how your face moves naturally. Then we design a personalized treatment plan. Using a very fine needle, carefully plan the amount of botulinum toxin A injected into specific muscle at a specific depth. The depth also makes a significant difference on the results. The procedure is quick, usually 10 to 15 minutes, minimal downtime, minimum discomfort. After injections, the muscle gradually relaxes over 3 to 7 days, and full effect appears around 1 to 2 weeks. One very important point, brand and safety matter. We always recommend using registered botulinum toxin A, which is approved by the Ministry of Health of individual country. FDA approved botulinum toxin A brand, officially imported medical grade toxin. Please avoid unregulated or illegal products, even if they are cheaper. I would think your face deserves safe and quality product. Why is this so? Because it's your appearance that we are talking about, which the product result typically lasts 4 to 6 months. That makes safety and quality non-negotiable. If budget is tight, it's often worth waiting to invest in something properly reputable rather than taking unnecessary risk with your skin and face. How long does botulinum toxin A result last? Botulinum toxin A results usually last about 4 to 6 months. After that, the effect gradually wears off naturally. The good news is, it does not permanently stay in your body. There is no long-term accumulations of product, and with regular treatment, results can become more stable over time. Their studies even shows that with consistent treatments every 4 to 6 months for a few cycles, the results can be maintained in a longer periods of time. Botulinum toxin A is not about changing your face. It's about relaxing overactive muscles so your natural expressions look more refreshed, balanced, and youthful.